I'm Sebastian, and this is from Mrs. Mann's class, and I'm reading Sneeze, Big Bear Sneeze by Maureen Wright. The wind whipped through the autumn woods and swirled to the spot where Big Bear stood. She whirled the leaves right off the trees, just as Big Bear let out a sneeze. Achoo! The wind said, Big Bear, can't you see? The leaves fell down because of me. Big Bear, wind, it wasn't you. The leaves fell down when I sneezed. Achoo! Big Bear tried to nail the leaves back using a hammer and some tacks. The wind kicked up and raced the sky, swirling down low to spinning up high. She said, the Big Bear knows nothing at all. I drop a leaf because it's fall. Big Bear walked in the cold wind blew and came to a tree where apples grew. Just as Big Bear left out a sneeze, branches shook in a very strong breeze. Achoo! Oh my, said Bear with an unhappy frown, watching the apple drop to the ground. Ouch! He knew as they fell with a thumping sound, the sneezing had made them fall to the ground. The wind said, Big Bear, can't you see? The apples dropped because of me. Big Bear, wind, it wasn't you. The apples fell when I sneezed. He put the apples on a branch of the tree, stacking each one carefully. The wind swirled around the forest glen, dipping and whipping back again. She said, that Big Bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the apples because it's fall. Big Bear lumbered down the lake. 20 geese rest, not one was awake. Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, waves splashed up like the stormy seas. The geese flew off with a honking sound, flapping great wings above the ground. Oh my, said Bear as he looked up high. What have I done? He said with a sigh. The wind said, Bear, can't you see? The geese had headed south because of me. Big Bear, wind, it wasn't you. The geese flew away when I sneezed. Achoo! The wind spun around the autumn woods, then circled back to where Bear stood. She yelled, Big Bear, I've had enough. I'm tired of this crazy, delicious stuff. Wind took a deep breath and let out a whirling, twirling, mighty shout. I whipped the leaves right off the trees and dropped the apples when I please. I scare off the geese before they are freeze, and tickle your nose and made you sneeze. I do it all. I am the autumn breeze. Big Bear listened and scratched his head. You could have told me before, he said. The wind's deep sigh shook the sky. Bear said, it's time to say goodbye. He ran to the safety of his den. Deep in the heart of his fuzzy glen, suddenly the door slammed shut. Big Bear eyebrows shot right up. He jumped in bed and covered his head. I know my sneeze didn't do that, he said. It's only the wind, a blustery night, so no one more sneezes. He blew out the light. Sneeze, Big Bear, sneeze. This book is Sneeze, Big Bear, Sneeze. And the wind does all these bad things, but the bear thinks he did. And he hammers all the leaves back. He stacks all the apples up. The wind scared off the geese, and he said that was me. And the wind said, that wasn't you, that was me. I did it because it's almost winter and they need to go somewhere else. And she said, I knock the apples off whenever I please. And I blew the leaves off because it's autumn. And Big Bear ran home and the door slammed shut. And he covered his head and blew out the light. And then he said, I knew it wasn't my fault all along. Bye.